Looking for a conditioner that actually refreshes your scalp while keeping your hair soft and manageable? Tea Tree Special Conditioner promises just that, blending natural ingredients like tea tree oil, lavender, and mint to give your hair a clean, invigorated feel every time you wash. If you want a product that's gentle enough for daily use but powerful enough to detangle and restore moisture, this might be the one. I've been using Tea Tree Special Conditioner alongside the matching shampoo for a while now, and the difference is noticeable. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh hair down or leave any greasy residue. Instead, it smooths and softens strands while calming the scalp with its refreshing scent. Plus, it's color-safe and free from parabens and gluten, important if you want to avoid harsh chemicals and maintain your hair's natural vibrancy. Detangling has become so much easier, saving time and minimizing breakage during styling. What stands out is how this conditioner balances effective hydration without heaviness. The natural tea tree oil helps soothe the scalp, while lavender and mint add a cooling sensation that feels like a mini spa treatment with every rinse. Customers rave about its fast shipping and consistent quality, making it a reliable choice for those who want a clean, fresh feeling without compromise. If that's you, someone who wants a conditioner that refreshes, restores, and detangles daily, Tea Tree Special Conditioner is worth a look. Apply a small amount to clean, damp hair, massage it in, and rinse thoroughly. For best results, pair it with the Tea Tree Special Shampoo to complete your hair care routine. Try it when you're ready to experience a refreshing boost that your hair will thank you for.